In this video, you'll learn how to install the drain saddle kit. The kit contains a foam rectangle with a sticky surface on one side. Remove the paper to expose the sticky surface and place it onto the bracket with the hole. There are 2 bolts and 2 nuts provided to clamp the drain saddle around the drain pipe. Start by placing the 2 brackets on either side of the drain pipe. Then feed one of the bolts through the bracket holes and place the nut on the other side. Repeat this process using the other bolt and nut, and then using a screwdriver tighten both bolts so that the drain saddle will remain in place. Then use a 1/4-inch bit and drill a hole through the drain pipe. Feed an end of the 1/4-inch red poly tubing through the compression nut, ensuring that the tip will be positioned inside of the drain pipe, and then hand tighten the compression nut.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.